What's up everybody and welcome back to Life with Labrador Lucy. Today I'm going to be spoiling my Labrador puppy with this giant inflatable swan. Lucy, come here! Hey, come here, come here! Come on, this is all yours! Oh! Alright, you ready? You ready? What? Alright Lucy, it's all yours. Get it, Lucy! Yeah! Come on, this way! Come on! Come on, let's save it! Get it out of the pool! Yeah, Lucy! Lucy! Oh my goodness, no, it belongs back in the water, Lucy. Oh no! Come on, go, go, go! Oh man, she destroyed it! Come on, Lucy! Good girl, Lucy! Good girl! You're a lifeguard dog, look at that! You saved this whole thing! Hey Lucy, go get it! Get it Lucy, come on, you're supposed to ride it, come on! You're supposed to sit on it like this in the water, Lucy. Go get it! Yeah! There you go. Lucy, what are you doing? You're gonna have to get out there pretty soon. You're gonna collapse in it. Yeah, go! Go, 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 come on, come here! Good girl! Come on, get it out! Get it out! Get it out! Oh! Well, this is a casualty. I would normally never ever have my dog do this, but she knows the difference between her toys and what she shouldn't play with. And right now, this is 100% your toy. Go get it! Oh, there's so much water in there, Lucy. There's a lot of water in here, huh? Oh, wow, you're so strong, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl. You like it? You're welcome. All right, well, this swan is officially toast. Absolute toast. Good job, Lucy. Good job. I hope you had so much fun. We're gonna keep this thing rolling and play some more pool fetch if she can ignore the swan. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah, good girl. What? What is it? You having so much fun? Look at that bark. That is a grown-up bark if I've ever heard it. Come here. Oh, all right. We'll do a couple more throws. Go get it. Oh, what a splash! All right, Lucy, we got one more throw. Yeah, you already know what time it is. No, so get down. Go get it. Woo! Big splash! Lucy, cannonball! Cannonball! All right, everybody, well, this just about wraps up our video. Lucy had an absolute blast destroying that swan. I had a blast filming it, swimming with her. Oh, cannonball and dive bombing. She is such a silly dog. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Anyways, we're gonna be getting out of here. Thanks so much for your support. Be blessed, take care. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We have amazing content, awesome videos for y'all, and I love sharing Lucy with you guys. So for now, well, we're gonna be getting out of here. Thanks for staying tuned.